Gigantic pond. Try not to fall into. Hi, Kiss. Oh. Okay. Lily. Hi, Kiss. Hi, Kiss. Oh, possum. Get out of there, duck. Get out of there. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. All right. I'm right here. Oh, pigs are scary. There we go. All right, going outside. Oh, whoops, hold on. Hold on. Are you following me today? Are you following me today, Charlie Bear? Are you following me? Hi, buddy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, I know. All right, these two wrecking balls are in here. All right, watch out. Watch out, Pop. Oh, my gosh. Watch out, I get corona. She must have come out. You can come up and just let me out. I know, big shot. I know, girly. Come on. Hold on. Boop. There we go. Hi. I know you're ready, aren't you? Boop. I got you. Hi. Hi. Are you my father bug? Are you my father bug? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Let's try to Bear. Bear Bear's just following me around today. He just followed me around. Charlie Bear. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're silly. What, boys? You gonna come out? He's not used to being outside, so just being in the pen is a big deal. What are you doing, buddy? Chickens are crazy. Come on, buddy. Why don't you go outside? Come on out. Look who's gets it. Yeah, there you go. All right, go that way. Yeah. found a chicken. And it's a young one. Yeah, you feel better. You feel better. We're going to talk about it. You're going to talk about it. All right, look, he called her over. Yay. He called her over. That's a good rooster. Yeah. He does not know what to do.